Good morning. Welcome to the morning forecast discussion for November 29th, 2011. It is currently 9:05 a.m. and as you can see, it is pretty warm throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic. Most locations range from the mid-50s to the lower 60s as we have warm air coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, winds are from the southeast, anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour. And we're obviously already overcast, with a few scattered showers here and there throughout New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. So what's driving all this warm air into our region? Well, that would be a surface low that has developed over the Ohio River Valley and is associated with a powerful upper level low that is over the Tennessee River Valley. Both the upper level low and the surface low will lift northeast towards the eastern Great Lakes, which will put us in the warm sector. As you can see, here's our warm front. And here's our associated cold front that is over the southern mid-Atlantic. This cold front is going to lift north and east and produce moderate to heavy rain this evening. Now taking a look at the radar, you can clearly see a band of moderate to heavy rain developing over parts of Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and western Pennsylvania. This area of heavy rainfall will lift northeast towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, producing rather poor driving conditions for the evening rush hour. So what do I expect the rest of the day? Well, basically, these scattered showers will continue to develop over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area through this afternoon, and then this band of moderate to heavy rain will lift northeast between 5 p.m. and 12 a.m. throughout the region and finally exit by early tomorrow morning, let's say about 2 a.m. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, this low pressure system will be out of the way and dry conditions will be in place. Taking a look at the satellite picture, the infrared satellite picture, you can clearly see our upper level low developing over the Tennessee River Valley and starting to lift northeast as this trough and this associated cold front will basically kick this upper level low north and east and take everything into northeastern Canada. As a result, this cold front right here will lift northeast as well with the moderate to heavy rain. And you can see the lifting associated with this entire system more focused towards the eastern Great Lakes rather than the northern mid-Atlantic. That's why we're just getting that one really heavy band of rain rather than a prolonged heavy rain event that will set up over the eastern Great Lakes. I'm looking at anywhere between a half an inch to an inch of rain. Some locations could push up to as much as 2 inches of rain in brief heavy downpours, but for the most part I think most locations will be in that half an inch to an inch range from this event. Taking a look at the model guidance again for this evening, here's our upper level low lifting northeast and our surface low. Periods of moderate to heavy rain this evening, clearing out by early tomorrow morning. By tomorrow, high pressure will be in control. It will be a breezy day. See this pressure gradient right here? That's going to produce winds from the northwest anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts. So watch out for that. It's going to feel colder than the lower to mid 50s. It's going to feel like the mid 40s because of that northwesterly wind. As we move in through the rest of the week, high pressure will be in control. Now there will be a weak cold front that will move through the northern mid-Atlantic on Friday evening. This cold front will bring another round of polar air into the northern mid-Atlantic and produce the threat of an isolated shower, maybe even an isolated snow shower for the higher elevations in the interior. Otherwise, what we'll expect is basically a wind shift to the northwest and cooler weather conditions overall. And high pressure will be in control through the rest of the weekend until we get into early next week, where a very strong cold front with some very cold air starts to build into the northern mid-Atlantic with periods of moderate to heavy rain on Monday evening and a significant drop in temperatures by Tuesday. We're talking about 40s and 30s for highs. That's right, winter is coming back. So that is your morning forecast discussion for November 29th, 2011. Hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, you can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a great day.